Hi everybody, welcome back to Bright School of Money Science, a resource for financial well-being. Today we're going to talk about building your credit, how to repair a low score, and how to build a good one from scratch. Building good credit can be transformative, giving us access to experiences and things we might not otherwise afford. When managed responsibly, good credit can open doors and expand opportunities. So let's look at a few ways to build and keep a healthy credit score. The sooner you start using credit and can prove you know how to use it responsibly, the quicker you can build a healthy credit score. Start with a credit card account and learn how to use it. Take time to learn what your card issuer expects from you and comply with the terms of your card agreement. Good credit behavior starts with making monthly payments on time and in full whenever possible. That means knowing your account's balances and due dates and understanding the consequences of late or partial payments, including interest rates, late fees, and other charges. Your behavior can impact your credit score, which can determine your access to credit in the future. Good credit behavior today can mean more opportunities down the road. Missed payments, late payments, and other bad behavior can limit the credit you'll have available in the future. Let's look at a few ways to avoid negatively impacting your credit score. Most experts recommend using no more than 30% of your available credit at any given time. In industry terms, that's called your credit utilization ratio. Keeping it below 30% signals to future creditors that you're a responsible borrower. Using different kinds of credit shows responsibility and maturity too. As your credit use expands, try exploring new credit alternatives beyond credit cards. Let's look at 3 basic options. Revolving credit includes most credit cards. It's a line of credit you can borrow from freely, but it's capped with a limit. Home equity lines of credit and personal lines of credit are also known as revolving credit. A second type is known as installment credit. That includes home loans, auto loans, and student loans. A set amount of borrowed money you pay back on a fixed schedule. A third form, known as open credit, often isn't included on credit reports. It refers to a kind of credit that requires payment in full at the end of each cycle and is not used very often anymore. A healthy credit mix with both revolving and installment credit, all used with good behavior, can look strong and healthy to future creditors. All of these are included in your credit utilization rate, and good management of each can build excellent credit. That's it for now. Bright's here to help with all kinds of money issues. For more tips, advice, and financial insight, check out Bright School of Money Science. Thanks for watching!